Yo, what's going on, guys? What's up? Big connect! How's everybody doing? Well, how's everybody doing, dude? We're back with some more device mod development. Today we're continuing with fixing some bugs, but what I thought I would do is you know, check out what's new on the device API developers Discord. Kind of go over everything and see, you know, what's new in this in here. So nothing really in there. I noticed there's somebody developing a really cool application that I want to just see if I can find some screenshots on. Let's have a look. There it is. So, support. What are people talking about in support? Register application. Alright, so screenshots is where it's going to get interesting. Oh, someone's developing an official app store. Let's have a look. Yeah. Looks like my app store. Looks like my app store. Oh, guess it's cool. Let's keep going down. There was like, where is it? Hold up. Oh, it's up here. Here we go. So, someone's developing like legit Mario, which is actually insane. Hey, what up, Fabby50? What up, Haunted Corpse? Welcome back to my sponsors. I see you with the chat. Jack Juke, Bloxy, Jackson Plays. Do I use Discord overlay? Not really. I don't know. I don't know. So that's like the first screenshot we saw, and this is the second one here, which is looking pretty good. Only thing that, like, maybe, like, I don't know if like this is actually, I feel like this is using like legit textures. Because they look legit, but then like you come down to this one, like how cool does that look? How cool does that look? It's like Yoshi though. Yoshi World. Yoshi House State. That's pretty cool. I'm not sure like how it all works, if it has like scrolling. I'm pretty sure it has scrolling because as you can see from here, it has like a texture stretch. I don't know what's going on. Don't know what's going on exactly, but it looks pretty cool. It looks pretty cool. And I'd love to be able to test it out, to be honest. Mr. Mario man. Well, Mario in Minecraft. What about me? I need like to purge text in here because I miss out on like half of everything. Let's have a look at other stuff. Oh yeah, here's some like really basic things when it was just first started, which is really interesting to see. I like seeing development of your application, so if you guys ever do any application development, do send it my way. Do send screenshots. Got Git web. A lot of cool applications coming out. I really want to make, I really want to have some more certified apps, so hopefully some of these will be finished off. Alright. Alrighty, guys. Alrighty, so let's go ahead, let's get into this now. Okay, will we develop any more games on the device mod? I don't know if I will. Maybe. Once the device mod's out properly, then maybe I'll work on one. But I'm the leader of the development of this mod, and if I'd work on a game, then I'm not going to work on the API, and that's bad. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go to GitHub and let's see what bugs we have left over. Alright, issues 19 still. I think this is a pretty serious one. When overwriting a file, it messes with note stash. Let's have a look. Let's have a look here. Note. I'm a note. I'm a note. Note. Wow. I'm gonna know what that is. Okay. So, note 2. I'm on note. I'm a note 2. Okay. So I see what happens. Alright. Let's go back. Cray, watch ASMR? Yeah, I do. I knew you guys would see that. I do. There's nothing wrong with it. Can you add custom pictures to devices? Yeah, later on. Have you ever played Minecraft in VR? No, I have not. I feel like 10 sloths on a sleeping pills. How about you, Cray? My god. That doesn't sound good, Fabby50. Yeah, I went to bed late last night. Not really. I felt so bad last night. Felt so bad. But I got up this morning and doing a little bit better. I'm doing a little bit better now. But my sleep schedule's always wrecked. It is absolutely wrecked all the time. Whose sleep schedule's wrecked like mine? What kind of ASMR? Oh my god. We're gonna get to ASMR topic. I just watch everything. If it's good, it's good. If it's bad, I don't watch it. That's pretty much it. Alright, so let's have a look at this. So I'm pretty sure it's the order of how it works, and we might have to refactor how everything works a little bit, which is going to be a little bit of a task, but we kind of have to do it. So let's just have a look at, you know, note stash for instance. So should be like a save. Whoa, my god. Oh, heart racing now. Heart racing now. Thanks to Master Chief. Cheers, dude, for the $5 donation. Appreciate you, dude. Holy shoot. I swear like my heart's going now. Heart with you. Can't feel it. Do I have a heart? Do I have a heart? I think the combination of caffeine too. I mean, I slept 2 hours and have been awake for 18 hours. Whoa. there are 30 hours in a day. Alright, so let's have a look. So this looks like the save button. So save file. Open dialog. So it's something to do with this. A file with that name already exists. Are you sure we want to override it? Ah, okay. So I see the problem. I see the problem. So remove file, I'm pretty sure that can support a what the heck? Oh my god, I thought it was like a bug on me. Holy shoot. My god. Alright, so what I need to do is instead of saying like remove file, add file, because what these like the problem is like these are like asynchronous methods. So I don't know, it could be like the file gets removed then added, but I don't know which will come first. So add file. Alright, so there's an override method. Huh. My god, I did so much documentation on this. That's why documentation takes so long. Look how much there is. Look how much there is. There's so much. Docs. Some are even undocumented. Docs. Like, look at that legit, like, 4 paragraphs there. I'll probably do like a, oh my god, there's like 3 mass. Holy shoot. I need to still work on docs. Yo, Fabby50, you keen for writing some docs? We'll be in your server after the stream? No, it won't be. Nah, it won't be. So there is like a add file override, which what we're gonna do is write. We're gonna write a method for that, and I'm pretty sure it's just add on it here. My god, please nobody ever write a file system. I reckon this file system has been like the biggest challenge in this mod. The file system has been the biggest challenge, guys. Without a doubt. Like, there is so much involved in this. Like, this class alone's 1,000 lines. The file system has been the biggest challenge. I feel like the text area has been a biggest challenge as well. I think that's over 1,000 lines as well, that component alone. So pretty big classes. Pretty sure the text area is the biggest class in the mod. Alright, so now that we've done that, instead yeah, we can do that. Cool. So we can do add file, true. Can I do new callback? Replace with lambda. I need to like, I still need to refactor a ton of, because what I want to do is do response codes, and I want to do response codes instead of like a boolean, or boolean, however you like to say it. Do you have to re-download the mod when future updates come out? Yes. Yes. And one thing I want to do is like, I don't know how to, like, this is probably one of the difficult things, like handling nested dialogues. Handling nested dialogues in dialogues. So like, for instance, you have an application which opens a file, a save file dialog, and then opens up a confirmation dialog. But then there's the potential that that dialogue could open another dialogue related to it. And I haven't found a way to actually do that well. Pretty sure that can just be that. Just gonna make sure that's calling the right thing. Alright, so that should hopefully fix that issue. So let's test it out right now. Hello Greybeard, what up M-Coded? Hey, what up Zoram, yeah? What up Short Essential? Love your vids. Appreciate it, dude. Appreciate it. What's your favorite thing in this mod, guys? Oh yeah, I want to tell you guys something. So pretty much we have the 100th device 100th device mod live stream coming up real soon. We're at 95 right now, guys. We're at 95. Can we get a round of applause right now? Can we get some hype in the chat for almost getting to 100 right now? But I wanted to do something special for it. And pretty much I'm in contact right now with the guy that created the placeable items mod, the one that we have on the server and the one I did a video on, where you can place down like all items down. But pretty much what I want to do is like actually have people on and ask them questions about, you know, Minecraft modding, and then I can get some questions from like you guys. So it's gonna be like, I want to do like a cool like 100th stream. So if you guys have any ideas on what I should do on the 100th live stream, do let me know in the chat right now, because I'm gonna be reading it. But was that? Do you guys like the sound of that? Like actually having like a guest on the live stream. My favorite thing with this mod is the chairs, but the cause is absolutely the laptop itself. I mean, yeah. I mean, laptop hands down, because that's like that's the main thing about this mod. Wireless redstone, maybe someone already did it. And I don't know where the project went, but I want them to finish it off. I would have certified the app 100%. And I don't want to just do it. I want them to do it, because, you know, I want to showcase the community more than I want to you know, showcase the community in your guys' apps more than, you know, myself developing apps. So I'm not sure who was developing it. Let's have a look. Wireless redstone. Yeah, here we go. Oh, it was Jake Crowley. Jake Crowley! Where you at, dude? Where you at, dude? Jake Crowley. See, look, there we go. Does he have GitHub? GitHub, Jake Crowley. Oh, he does. I found it. I found the project, guys. I found the project. I'm gonna fork it. I'm gonna fork it. What's the license? What's the license? I don't think he's got a license on it. Damn it. He's got my MC pre-4. Whoopsie. Like, this is the coolest thing. Alright, let's have a look. It's a pretty simple app. I just don't want to let you know. I just don't want to take it. I'm not that type of person. I'm not that type of person, you know? But like, it's such a... Get server owner. What the heck is that doing? That's the weirdest piece of code that That's the weirdest piece of code I've seen. My lord. I've never seen that code before. Alright. Alright, let's see if we fix this bug up. So, note. I'm a note. I'm a note. Love the stream. Make more apps for 100th episode. In Pam's Harvest Crafts mod, there's cooked crayfish. Oh, but I'm contacting Pam. I'm contacting Pam now. How dare she do that? Maybe we can get Pam on the video, on the live stream. That'd be cool. Get Pam on the live stream. Your device one works great on my PC. It works good on every PC. That's why everybody should go download it right now. Link in the description. I don't think there's a link in the description, but I probably should put one. Probably should put one. Alright. Note. New. Let's just call it note. I'm a better note. No way. No way. I'm a better note. So basically what should happen is when we save here and we say note, pretty much right, it should override it. We've got to fix up that. That can be fixed easily. Ew. Ew. What? That is not possible. It is not possible. If I delete that, it's going to delete the first one. I'm a note. I'm a note. How is that possible? File add override is true. Hypnotize. Override. Make new override. Dripping light. Have Pam and live stream would be awesome. I need to make up some questions. If you guys got any questions we should ask all these modders, do let me tell you. Let me know. How many times a day do you brush your teeth? Very strange question. 2 times a day, dude. Of course. I usually brush them after the live stream because like I literally wake up and have a coffee and don't want that kind of taste in my mouth. Because like I can't just get up, brush my teeth and have a coffee. Like, are you insane? So it's better to do it like after I actually have breakfast. Who actually brushes their teeth? Who actually brushes their teeth like before eating breakfast? To me it's never made sense. I've always wake up, have breakfast, then brush your teeth. Make a mod just for cheese and crackers? Maybe. So, something to do with here. File system. I think it's read action. Oh my god. I grabbed this! This is not a mouse! That's a TV remote! It's a TV remote. That's not gonna work. Move! Yeah. This is everybody's favorite song right now. Maybe I know why. Okay, so it's not a, It's not a, it is actually overridden. Note. I'm an even better note! I'm an even better note. Oops. I'm an even better note. That's correct, note. So it's it's desynchronized basically. So that's not actually that. If I go ahead and reload the game, you'll see, I'm assuming I've done it right. You'll see that it is actually only one note. I'm an even better note. So it's just desynchronized, and what's happening is when we actually have the response. So we go file browser, add item. So basically we're not overriding it. We're not overriding it. Is the mansion coming today or tomorrow? I actually recorded the video, dude. I recorded the video yesterday.
Is the mansion coming today or tomorrow?
I was actually supposed to release it last night. However, I forgot to record a part in it. I forgot to record a part, so I gotta record that part today. And pretty much like when I was editing, it was too late to record. So it's gonna be coming out tonight, dude. For sure. For sure. 100%. 100%. So we can do like file list. Like this here should just be calling this method. So we can say if override. Whoa! What time is it for you?
What time is it for you?
10:40 AM, dude. 10:40 AM. I appreciate the support, though. I appreciate the support and super chats. My cheese and cracker supply jar keeps like emptying every time I start the live stream. File list dot remove. Ooh. Do we have like a? remove, here we go, remove file, file.getName. This. Oh no, that's bad. Oops. I don't know, file browser is not a good way to do it. Oh no. No! Save dialogue. We need the, this is the file list. Oh, we can do, how do we get our current folder? Get file dot. Oh no, hold on, we can do.
Could you please release it at 3 p.m. for your time?
3 p.m. your time? I don't usually upload at that time. I usually upload 3 a.m. 3 a.m. So you kind of have to wait until 3 a.m. my time. I want more settings, customizable taskbars, and customizable desktop backgrounds. Yeah, more of those features will be coming soon. But I appreciate the super chat again there, Creepers Gaming MC. Adelaide, cool. Yeah, it's Adelaide for me. Bacon is good for me. Bacon is good for me, guys. Delete. Delete this. Delete. Yeah, we gotta. Oh no, it's just from here we need to remove it. File list dot. Cause I'm pretty sure. So internally. Okay, so it's here. That's the problem. Folder. So if it's an override folder dot. Obviously, sorry, remove. Delete. Here we need to delete a file without doing a callback. I don't want a callback. Get file. Alright, so this needs to be like, let's delete. So we still actually have access to that. Delete. But that's a callback again. We don't want that. We don't want that. So we still have access. Oh, what the heck? Okay, so set drive valid parent files. So if override. So if it's override, then we need to do files dot index of. Do we actually have a way to remove? I think we have to do like a really raw call. It's gonna be like really. get files. Nope, it's vehicle mod. I reckon I just mark the folder as dirty. I don't know. I mean, my control car can be ready. Like, I should make it so, like, adding. I don't know. Cray, do you like this song? Cross Paths, 99 Lives. Never heard of it. Never heard of it, dude. I love bacon. Bacon is good for me. Do you plan on updating your model creator? Options like exporting to Java, parenting, and being able to use larger textures like texture maps would be amazing to have. I do want to update, I just don't have the time anymore. Like, I've just got so many projects that I just can't work on all of them anymore. You know, it's not like I don't want to do it, but literally can't. Literally can't. So we have to do files dot index. How can I find? I know how to do it. Get file. Okay, I can do that. File, original. Original files. If original doesn't go to null. Assuming that can be nullable. Yeah, it can be. Oh wait, hold on, it might not have. We might not even have to do that. So files that remove original. Yeah, we don't. Can be null, I'm pretty sure. See, it says if the list does not contain the element, it is unchanged. So it's fine if we do that. We could also just do that because we're not using it anywhere else. Just files remove that. So that synchronizes it back up to the server. What's the earliest you can release your mansion? Unfortunately, 3 AM, my dude. 3 AM. I have a super old version of the RC car mod, the one you sent out after development during the first mod week. That's basically the one that has, like, you press space and it explodes. Oh, yeah. Whoa, my god.
What's the earliest you can release your mansion?
3 AM, my dude. 3 AM, my dude. Cheers for the super chat, though. Appreciate ya. Appreciate ya. Should really put my Patreon in the description. Should really do that. What do you guys think I should do? Should I fork the Wi-Fi Redstone project? 3 AM my time, yeah. What about song Cheese and Crackers by Crayfish? Never heard of that one. Is that like a new hot fire track? Do you like the Crayfish Unknown's Battlegrounds like I put in Premium General?
3 AM your time?
Let's have a look. Premium General. That's pretty cool. It's like legit logo. It's kind of cropped off at the bottom, but otherwise it's pretty cool. Crayfish Unknown's Battlegrounds. Alright, so let's try this out. Hello, Note. What do you say? I'm an even better Note. Note. I need cheers. I need cheers. Oh, let's go Note. Override. View. Yes, it works. And then I'm assuming as well. Catching. Alright, fixed it up. Fixed it up. Oh yeah, guys, I downloaded the new GitHub. Downloaded that new GitHub. The only thing is it's like, it's not like there's no dark theme. I don't know if you could change it around, but there's no dark theme. And also everything, all the text is literally like one font smaller. Like, I'm not even sure if you guys can read this stuff, but like, I found that it's like, it feels too small compared to the original one. Like, this is the original one. I've still got the original one up here. But like, everything just isn't like, this is bigger. Like, this text is a lot bigger. And then same with actual reading here, this text is bigger. So, I'm kind of disappointed on that. I feel like they need to add an option. Obviously, this is still in beta at the moment. It's still in beta, I'm pretty sure. So, whoa. No streamer mode on this. No streamer mode. But you know, I can see all the changes here. It is nice, I guess. But still, it's kind of, the text needs to be bigger, in my opinion. See you later, dog paddle. So, I'm not sure if I'm the biggest fan of it yet. I'm not sure if I'm the biggest fan of it yet, but it is looking promising. I just feel like the text in here needs to be a little bit bigger for me. It needs to be a little bit bigger. Like, it's not that it's like, I can read text that small, but for some reason, it's not clear. Like, I'm not, like, I can read it from back here, fine. I'm not like some, you know, I don't need glasses or anything like that, but like this stuff against like white backgrounds. Like the code, it just looks so small. Because I'm like so used to coding at this size. And like, actually being able to read it easily. But like, it's come a long way, to be honest. It's come a long way. We're gonna commit through it though. We're gonna give it a shot. Give it a shot. But yeah, I need a full dark theme, please. Don't let me. So that, no. I'll say fixed, overriding, firebug, closes. Oh my god, if that did not have that, I would have been annoyed. I think it's 70, we'll double check. Yeah, it is. Closes, commit to master. And then I'm getting push origin. Oh, that's not bad. That's not bad, I'm telling you right now, that's nice. Seeing the actual, oh look at that GitHub automatically updating too. Look at that, that's beautiful. File override bug. Close. That was beautiful. Is the top monthly super shadows thing broken? Let me just load it up. Yeah, I don't think I've opened it. Should be working now. Creeper Gaming's MC Minecraft. 60 bucks already. What the heck? Holy shit, dude. Yeah, it only shows super chatters. However, like, I'm kind of encouraging, like, I'm kind of encouraging donating through Streamlabs instead, because YouTube takes like 50%. So, what if you donate like 10 bucks? It's like $5 is for me. So, it's kind of annoying, to be honest. I wish YouTube didn't do that, because YouTube takes 30. Okay, still. Even if it's 30, like, I don't know. I feel like they should be taking only like, literally like 5%. I still feel like they should only be taking like the littlest amount. Because like these people are like donating towards the actual person, not YouTube, you know? But like, think about it. If someone does like $100 donation, if someone does like $100 donation, that's, you know, $30 to YouTube, 70 to the creator. Think about how much money the creator just didn't get then. Imagine like $500. It's like 400 to the creator, 100 to YouTube. Just an example. Swedish tax. Yeah, tax here in Australia's alright. I don't know if it's... I wonder how much they take, to be honest. I think it's like... I don't know what it is. Alrighty, Wi-Fi password. So this is just feature endemail rendering bug. The character from pressing tab renders in endemail. What? Alright, I think I fixed this up. But we'll check. I think I fixed that up. Ah, yeah, it did. Alright. Fixed. Fixed in... I remember I did a commit. We're gonna have to search it. Like, I'm pretty sure they're trying to copy the style of this website. Like, this program's like supposed to be mimicking this website a little bit. Welcome, people. Sorry I'm late. What's up, Zaviper? How you doing? Hey, Envying Gollum 47. How you doing, dude? Income tax, that is, yeah. Here we go. Fix components rendering invisible charts. Crash. Still waiting. When you're like Marquez. Label. App stays. I think I love leave the feature. It's a feature. Mark as label feature. A lot of people are just like printing unnamed pictures. This is an issue with Forge, not. This is an. This is an issue with Forge. C. We've already got it here. Copy that issue. Because basically there's a pretty serious bug in Forge. I mean, it's not actually Forge, it's actually... It's not Forge's fault, but... It's not Forge's fault because they're literally just using what Minecraft's using. But pretty much... creative mode synchronization of the inventories from the client to the server, whereas like when you're in survival mode it's from the server to the client, because obviously you want to verify that the items that the person have got are legit, whereas creative mode you can get any item that you want, put any data tag on it that you want. So that closes that. What do we got for 16 now? 16 bug crunched. Lossy word wrapping. Yeah, apparently there's a weird text wrapping issue. Yeah, this one's gonna be difficult. I'm not looking forward to this one. So apparently there's an issue with text area test. Highlight, debug, word wrap. I see. Oops. Rip. Press F to pay respects. It like happens... Yeah, I see the problem. Jidit. Press F to pay respects. What is the obfuscatable mod again? What? It's called obfuscate. It's just a library which adds in extra events. The name doesn't really have anything to do with it. I just wanted a cool name. But it is like a term used in programming. But I use it for the gun mod. Already over 1,000 downloads with obfuscate. Pretty cool. Gun mod already over 1,000 downloads. Pretty good. Let's see what dependents are. Ah, someone put it in their pack. I don't actually have a name for this pack. I don't... Yeah. Dependents. What do they put in it? Dependencies. Interesting. How they put a ton of my mods in there. I need to update my vehicle mod. Who wants my vehicle mod updated? Did you guys notice I started earlier today? If your vehicle mod breaks when you sneak and hop in it, it makes you get out. No, that's just a don't sneak when you hop into it, because that basically says straight away you're trying to jump out. Because you know sneaking is the action for jumping off, you know, to stop sitting. So don't sneak while you jump. Applies for anything. Try doing it on horses too. It'll happen. It will happen too. I want furniture mod updated, Cray. What do you mean, an update? Well, updated. They're two different words. Updated? Well, an update. Don't sneak when you jump. Real life tip. I know. Can you send me the version of the vehicle mod? I'm going to put it on CubG. I'll have to do it soon. Not right now. Later. I need to like really put like, yeah. Alright, so let's see if we can fix this issue up. So it's something to do with the wrapping method, which is going to be so annoying to look at, and you guys are going to be like confused as heck. So here we go, text area. Very beautiful. Somebody here. Oh my god, I thought somebody was here, that scared me. So this is actually, yeah, over 1,000 lines. Pretty insane if you ask me. Alright, so here we go. So when does it actually lose its spaces? Lose the space when you put it back to so that's normal, and then putting it back loses its space. So that's when it's false. It's fine for me. We can't hear you? What do you mean? Mic muted. Well, it's not. It ain't muted. No, it's not. I know it's not. Alright, so hold on. I think it's not a problem with... It's not a problem with converting back. Because you'll see here, right? So we have that there. So this will technically word wrap. So it's getting rid of it when it actually converts to wrapped. So ignore the proof that I can hear you. What music are you listening to? NCS 2016. 2016, the best year. 2019, my year for sure. 2020, my definite year for sure. What did that did my year for sure? Alright, so list formatted string to width. So there's something to do with here. It might be something to do with here, dudes. Yeah, it can't be though. What are you using to create the mods? IntelliJ. IntelliJ, it's not like a special creator. It's just a Java IDE for any Java coding. So let's have a look here. Is it the active line only? I guess that's all lines. Why does it get rid of one then? Why does it split it then? I'm back, remember me? Shocking Saturday, what up? Hey Ocelot, how you doing? We actually looked at your application before, Ocelot. It's looking pretty good. Can you answer some few questions here for me, Ocelot? Is like your application legit? Is your application legit? Like, is that legit? Is that legit? Like, what is it? We need some video. I can send it to you if you want more proof. That would be awesome. Do it. Greetings! What up, the great papyrus? So, list.get formatted string. So I feel like it's something to do with here, because like, I don't do anything with it. Substring flag 1. What? What's flag? Wait, what? Yeah, we have a problem here, guys. This is the issue. Char at I. So it's saying if the last thing is a space. Now instead of fighting this method, or no, instead of changing like a method to do it instead, we could instead just write like a method to add it back in. Connect the dots. So if line doesn't equal with n, builder. Oh, so here we go. So how much does that apply? Does it apply to like everything? Okay, so it applies to like everything. So maybe like append. Let's say builder.append that. Yeah, this is the problem. We don't have like a... I didn't see anything that happening. Yeah, it's a little confusing if you've never, like, because obviously, if you've never programmed, then you're going to be confused. So maybe say, I'm going to say if total length is more than 0, then we'll do builder.append, you know, space. So let's test that out now. Ally! Ah! So what happens now? Well, that looks like it's working. We'll do a few more tests here. Ooh. I mean, that looks like it's working to me, because I'm switching between it and it's not like doing anything, so I'm pretty happy with that. What do you guys think? I'm pretty happy with that. Can we get some hashtag bug crunched? Bug crunched. That's my famous word. Bug crunched. Looks nice. Cheers, dude. Cheers, Amundo. So say fixed. Fixed word wrapping, removing spaces, closes, hashtag. What is the issue one we looked at? Maybe it is this one. Closes 61. Commit to master, push it. Ready as this closes. Watch this. Close. Hey. Bug crunched. I don't make SWAT things for the gun mod. SWAT. I don't really want to have people check it out yet, so I don't really want to put it in Discord. Ka-ching. Alright, I sent you a friend request. Alright, let's refresh it. 15 bugs left. We had 21 before, guys. 21. File browser server crash. This is like one I cannot literally figure out. Alright, what's this? Send task. I need a raw. Give me the raw. Because I can't read it properly. Here we go. Null pointer exception. Send task. From where? File browser and open folder. File browser, handle, unload. Open folder. 504. Where is file browser? IO. .504. Set current folder. Set current folder this. Wait, what? That can't be right. Did I get the message? He hasn't sent it yet. I sent you a friend request, Ocelot. Open folder, handle on load. Let's go to handle on load first. Mind you, that should be where it calls it. Handle on load. What part does it say? 393. Yeah, it doesn't make sense. I think I added some extra things to this to fix it. I'm gonna guess here. Folder. And it calls open folder. I need to see this, I can't see it. It calls open folder, so I'm assuming this one. Or is it that one? I don't know, because it's like an old version of the thing where I've probably made some bug fixes. So let's assume that this is null. Send task.
Can I make a video of you?
Who sent this? Hold up. Can't see. Creepers Gaming, can I make a video with you? Unfortunately don't do like kind of like collaborations like that. Like I don't suggest you guys at all like send like $10 and then ask like, you know, can I do a collaboration, because that's not how it works. If you're a YouTuber and you have good content and a lot similar subscribers, then I may potentially do collaborations, because I mean that's the only time I do collaborations, if you're a YouTuber with similar subscribers. With similar subscribers, so unfortunately I cannot do a collaboration, my dude. Sorry about that. Just gonna be straightforward about it. Are you just building it? Alright, oh good dude. I'm keen to check it out though. I'm not too sure about adding SFX and music from Super Mario World though. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like, in my opinion, I feel like you've got like the engine. I feel like you should create your own graphics and character just so you don't run into like copyright issues, because I'd love to do a video on it. That's the thing. But I don't want to run into issues where, you know, the video gets demonetized or something like that, or gets taken down, because it is like Nintendo. So, I mean, you got the engine already, so maybe if you can get like someone to create graphics for it, then it'll be awesome. Cray, you seem like you should be a Mojang dev, just saying because you have made good mods. Yeah, I should be. Where my application? Now, there was actually an application, I just didn't do it. Sent it now. Alright, I have to check it out afterwards. So what's the issue? Where is it crashing? I can't figure out where it's crashing because this is like an older version. So apparently send task, open folder 504. Okay, no, it's here, send task. So where's the task null? Okay, so like 100% folder should not be like null, right? Shouldn't be null. Send task. Task manager, send task. 56. What are we looking at? 61. Where's that null though? Null pointer exception. Handle on load. Open folder. But what would it be about is the real question. If it's an issue with actual sprites, I can always just switch them out for MC1s or other ones. It would be a copyright issue. Plain and simple as that, just because like Super Mario World. Obviously it's not created by the original creators. I mean, like, I don't know if there's a copyright issue or not. It kind of is, because the assets are copyright and you're using it in a project that is not, where they're not allowed to be used in a project, pretty much. Alright, try to figure it out here. Like, apparently it's something to do with task. Maybe, it's probably something to do with laptop get pos. That's gotta be it. To position was null. That's gonna 100% be it. That's the only way I can feel. Position to long. Yeah, I can see. Alright, we can try and replicate this. Maybe we can do it. We would need lag. We would need lag. Alright, so if we do that and then we... Nah, it's too quick for us. There we go. Caused it. Alright, hold up. Is it exactly the same? Yeah, it is. Okay. See, I figured it out, guys. I figured it out. So, it's because the laptop position is null. I figured it out. I'm pro. So we need to do checks for that. So we're gonna say we'll do block pos this. So I'm gonna say if pos null, then we're gonna say to return callback dot. Yeah, we need to do callback doesn't equal to null. Execute false. Yeah. What was the method? 400 and 500. So yeah, that seems better. A critical error. Critical error occurred. Where's Open Drive get called from? I don't think that will ever cause an issue, but we fixed that one up. So, please don't cause critical issues. Alright, so let's go ahead and check that out. I'm glad we found the issue for that. That was surprising. I'm pretty happy about finding that exact bug. When did you start making mods? Started making mods like 6 years ago now. Pretty insane if you ask me. I still barely know any programming. Still barely know any programming. So what we should be... So I feel like it's not causing it anymore. So if we go in here... Yeah, it doesn't look like it's doing it anymore. Cool. Alrighty, bug crunched. Bug crunched, my dudes. Can we get a bug crunched in the chat right now? Everybody, say it with me. Say it with me. Bug crunched. Bug crunched. Bug crunched. That's what I should call the commit here. Bug crunched. Fixed. Crash. Weird file browser. Closes. Hashtag. What's the what is the number? Wow, it's an old one. 27. Here's a very old one. Yeah, it was actually Ocelot that suggested that bug. Submitted that bug, so it's fixed now. Bug crunched though. Bug crunched. Alright, let's go ahead and he sent it to me. Bug crunched. Oh my god, Cray wishes ASMR. Alright, download. Injects not a Trojan onto my website, onto my computer. Injects not a Trojan. Not a Trojan.jar. Sneak level 100. Alright, we're launching up the game now, guys. Let's see how this works. I wonder how, like, it is actually, like, working. I'm curious. I don't want to ask any questions. I'm just going to play it. I'm just going to play it right now. Let's go full screen. Full screen! Alrighty! So, Super Mario World. Whoa! Holy shoot, dude! I did not expect that. How do I control it? Okay, I see. I can see a slight issue, but nothing that's not a problem. Dude, this is legit. Oh, you can go off the screen. Woo! Whoop. It's like legit, like you know, like collisions, dude. Boing, boing, boing. Oh, it's the info box. What's it saying? The Yoshi house. Hey. Only thing I can think of is see how like maybe I know how to do it. Maybe I can help you out if you're not sure how to do it. But like I'm assuming you do. But like you see how like the guy's not smooth when he's actually the movement's not smooth, and that is because not rendering like the frames in between. Hold E to run. Okay, cool. That's kind of weird though. You should make it so it uses the actual arrow keys. You should actually use I update him 3 times per tick, which is horrible. Yeah, no, dude, I can help you out with that. You need to use partial ticks. You need to use partial ticks. You should have access to it in your render method. So you can update him 3 times per. I wouldn't. You only need to update him once per tick, but you need to use partial ticks to actually make it smooth. So definitely look into it, dude, because then you actually have like smooth rendering. So I'm just trying to see if there's like, is there an interact? Is there like an interact thing? You can do that, but I actually provide a method inside of the render method. You're probably doing it, you're not like, partial ticks isn't like, it shouldn't be moving slow. You're probably using it incorrectly. Partial ticks is a percentage of the current, you know, you're rendering in the tick. You need to track the last X and Y position. You need to track the last X and Y position, and then get the current X and Y position. You add it on. If I have the source, I can probably show you. Because it's very simple. Like, honestly, it's so simple. But, like, so far it's pretty cool. Is there anything like that you can do in here? Because I noticed you did have, like, different, you know... Oh, that's a bit weird. See, like, my movement of my windows don't use partial ticks. Which is kind of bad. Wahoo! 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 Ocelot! Is there anything we can do in here? Is there any special secrets? Developer secrets. Say developer secrets. And the Reddit developer secrets. Hold up, somebody's here. I'll be back in a jiffy. Alrighty, I'm back. They're only active within development environment. Ah, okay. Yeah, I'll have to look into it because I can. If you got like a GitHub or something, I can submit a PR with the fix of the player movement. The only issue might be collisions, but oh no, it might not be actually. Nah, it won't be. I don't reckon. It'll be completely fine. Because I'd love to like just fix it up. I'd love to fix it up. You do? Woo! Yahoo! Are you using the new build? Are you using the new the Gradle build script that I provide? That's why I update them 3 times per second, because then collisions are not accurate enough. Okay. Yeah, send me the GitHub. Send me the GitHub. I need the link. Send me that link. I'ma need that link. I'ma need that link. It's pretty cool right now. Does it have like does it have like support for scrolling, or is that something else? So I'm curious to how all it works. Alright. Is it simply Yoshi? Is it simply the Yoshi level? Hui. Hui. Which is one screen. Ah, okay. So it's not like anything. Yeah, okay. Makes sense. Makes sense. Collisions work on this side, but not on the other side. Yeah, I think there's an issue with that. It's just the left screen. Oh yeah, okay. Huh. Very interesting. It's kind of cool. Kind of cool to see it there. Oh, it's a lot brighter here. It's kind of good. Just the void on the left is weird. Ah, okay. Yeah, you're probably doing something because like it's there, but maybe it's just like as simply like it's like a one line thing. Because like it's resetting it back correctly, but like you're doing it too late. But yeah, it definitely needs some improvement on. Because, like, you should only be like, every tick, you should be only updating the movement once. You should only be updating the movement once. So. But, I mean, maybe you can still do it, like, 3 times. I don't know what you're doing exactly. I'd have to see the code. But pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie, pretty damn cool. Let's have a look at GitWeb. I think this might crash. Useful sites. Useful sites.info. Is there anything new? Mr. Crayfish.info. What? There's the crayfish.info. This webpage is about Mr. Crayfish. Mr. Crayfish is a Minecraft Java modder from Australia who creates mods such as Mr. Crayfish Furniture mod, Device mod, Bouncing Castle mod, Gun mod, Vehicle mod. He spelt it wrong. And a lot more. Pretty cool. I've just got all your mods on here, Ocelot. Go to the cray.pack. The Cray pack is... This is the official mod pack for the Crayfish sponsor Patreon server. This needs updating. I think I haven't fixed this up issue. There's also a special custom main menu. Search the Cray pack on the technical launcher and curse Twitch launcher. Hey, that's cool. That's cool. That is cool. Yeet. Yeet. Where'd my music go? Standard icons. We created so many icons. Who remembers the icon streams? Who remembers the icon streams? Let me know if you're an OG. Let me know if you're an OG. Real ones remember the icon streams. They were some of the funnest times, to be honest. Some of the funnest times. I thought I fixed that up. Still an issue with the Ender mail icon. I do. Discard changes. Literally does nothing. Yeah, discard changes. With PUBG, would you be fine with close range in-game voice chat, or do you not want that? I don't know. I don't know if it's just really required, because let's say everybody's free for all, you probably don't want to reveal your location. But maybe. It might be cool. But like, why'd you kill me? What the heck? I don't know. But then again, like if you're spectator, can you talk to the people? Because you could just like tell people where they are. Yeah. So, a bunch of issues crunched, which I'm happy about. Crash. A good picture from time, sometimes you can see it, other times you cannot. It's very inconsistent and seems to be dependent on angle, camera angle. Yeah. Pretty sure it's like cull facing. Hey Bugs, you just got crunched. Alright, let's have a look at the source here for rendering paper. Pretty sure this wasn't this converted to paper render? This would change to a texture, wasn't it? Wasn't this changed to a texture? Am I blind? Wasn't that 100% it was converted to a texture. 100% it was converted to a texture. Like 100% is converted to a texture. So you get renderer, registered renders. This is only if it's cut. Alright, so that's only if it's cut. Otherwise, programs. Yeah, here. We actually gen, allocate, upload. Actually, that's quite bad. I feel like that's bad because what we're doing, or what's happening, oh, you guys can't see this, whoops. What's happening is we're literally rendering, looping through all the pixels, genning a texture, which is faster, but we shouldn't be regenning the texture every time. Like, because we generate a texture, allocate, upload, bind, then delete. It should be like a cache. It should be like a cache, but it needs to be managed. So definitely needs to be fixed a little bit better. So render. I need to like render say paper renderer. I think it's like geostatement to disable. Oopsie, no. Disable cull. Enable cull. Alright, let's have a look. Do you get? Oh yeah, I already mentioned that. I can't put a shader. When I touch the shader, it crashes. What type of computer do you have? I bought some cheese. I bought some cracker. What? Sent you a GitHub link. Oh, yes. Rest in peace. Mod. Is that the actual core game template? Okay. Where's the actual handling of it? Core. Entity. Where's the actual handling of application game template. Like, where do you handle player movement? Where do you handle rendering the player? Game state. Level. Render entities. Those two classes handled it. Which ones? Sorry. So let's have a look at entity. Player. Update. Render. So partial tick, super render. So what are your coordinates? Y map, Y. Okay, so when stream end? Soon. So it's X. So there's X and Y positions. And then there's a map position. Take character width and take character height. I think that's what that is. Pretty impressive. Trying to figure out movement. Get next position. Then where does DX get called? Where's your deltas get called? It's probably in the super. Definitely in the super. Mob. Yeah, it's for checking collisions. Yeah, it's not too spaghetti. It's a bit better. It's better than what I've seen. I've seen worse. I'm just trying to figure out where it adds, like, the delta. Check X destination, Y destination. Okay. Where's it set? It's X temp and Y temp.
Let's set each tick. I'd have to get the code out because it's hard to navigate all this. Yeah, I also know where it's called from. I don't know where the X temp goes. I don't know where X temp goes to. X temp. Let's make sure we're not. Yeah, I'll have to look at it later on. I just don't know where they're being called from and that type of stuff. I don't know where a lot of stuff is being assigned. Set map position. Nope. Map check. I know it's being called there, like you're saying X temp equals X, Y temp equals X, but then where you're reassigning it, because it's like a temporary value, where's it being used afterwards? That's what I'm confused about. With a temporary value. I don't know why it's called temp though. I don't know where it's being used after that. We looked at mob. Entity, no. There's nothing to do with it. It's not even defined in there. And I got a player. X temp. Oh, set position. My god. X temp. Okay. So, set position. Where's that called? That's obviously from entity, I would assume. Alright, so, yeah. I can see kind of like the issue. I can see the issue. It's going to be easy to fix. Only problem is you haven't submitted your repository correctly. Like you don't have all the required forge files in it. Like you don't have your build file. Yeah, so I can't like download it at all to test or to check it. But that's going to end off this live stream today, guys. That's a good point to end off. We crunched a lot of bugs today. Which I'm pretty happy about. We've gone down from 21 to 14 now. And let's have a look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them are just features. So technically we only have 7 bugs. Actually 6 bugs. We only have 6 bugs. So that's good with the mod. 6 bugs only. So I'm kind of happy about that. But yeah, that's going to end off this live stream today. Can't wait to get to number 100 of this live stream. It's going to be very exciting. But if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead, snap that like button right now. I'm going to go over to Twitter. And I'm going to go ahead and read shout outs right now for the people that retweeted over on Twitter. So shout outs to Brandon, Zoram, yeah, Jennifer Avery, Fabi50, 20 Lines of Code, and Donovan Wood. Appreciate the support there, dudes. And yeah, thank you to my sponsors, thank you to my patrons. You guys mean a lot and allow me to continue what I do. If you guys ever think about becoming a sponsor, you get custom emojis in the chat, and then as well, you also get to join the sponsor server as well, so you can actually play Minecraft with me. We do like sessions on the weekend where I actually go on voice chat, so you can actually talk to me. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, consider becoming a sponsor. But that's going to be it. I will see you guys later for some more Device Moto live streams tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. Guys. See you later. Bye. Have a great day.